through me, hypnotized by the sounds.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you another beautiful hairstyle. So this is actually a very simple hairstyle that anyone can do, and you can even style this hair on a very short natural hair as long as you can braid it. So as you can see, I am taking out my cornrow. This is the cornrow that I did a day before in order to give my hair a good stretch. And I moisturize my hair with a shea butter mix before putting it into a comb. And as you can see, my hair is fully stretched and the comb can go in easily through my hair without causing any form of breakage. So in order to achieve this hairstyle, first thing I'm going to be doing is section my hair into a square shape, which I am trying to do in this video. And you want to try and get that square shape really nice and neat. Once I'm satisfied with the square shape, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the hair apart. So now I'm going to start to cornrow my hair. If you cannot do a cornrow, go ahead and do a flat twist. Anyone can go perfectly well. To give me a good slick, I am using the beeswax to achieve this. So I'm just going to start cornrolling my hair all the way back. And I think I did about 6 cornrows in front altogether. You can do as much as you want in front. You can do 8 or maybe 5 or 7, however you want, but in total I did 6. So I just want to use this medium to welcome all of my new subscribers. You're welcome to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Please go on either subscribe button if you're watching me for the first time. Also, please do not forget to hit the bell. That will give you notification each time I upload a new video. So now I am almost done and I am doing the last bits, and I need to tell you guys, your cornrow doesn't have to be smooth, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure you're getting that cornrow, done. That's all you need to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. So once I'm done with the cornrow, I'm going to go ahead and use my beeswax to slick down my edges just where I have just cornrow.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
So now I am using this comb to get my hair really stretched, encouraging my hair forward. So before applying the gel on my hair, I'm first going to spray my hair with water. Now I am applying the Eco Styler gel to slick down my hair. And the Eco Styler gel I'm using is the Jamaica Eco Styler gel. Once I am done with that, I am going to make sure that everything is well laid down. To achieve that, I am using my brush to get this really laid. So you're definitely going to notice some white substance on your hair. Do not bother about that. It's going to disappear. It's not going to remain there. It's just a matter of time. So now I am putting my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to be braiding the ends of my hair just to keep that away and also to keep it protected. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and slick my edges just the way I want it. This is optional. If you don't want to slick down your edges, it is not compulsory. Just do what you can do and just get those edges really nice and laid. So in order to achieve a great result, I'm going to use my satin scarf to lay my hair really nice and flat. And I just went to bed like this. And this is the next morning, and this is what my hair is looking like. Now it is time to style my hair, and I am using the Kinky hair extension to style my hair. This just looks like a real natural hair, and I just love how it's made my hair looks. And I'm just going to be installing this, and here you really want to take your time to style it just the way you want it to be. And also make sure to use as much bobby pins as you can. The bobby pins are just going to keep everything in place, and right now I am using my bobby pins to get everything in place so I don't get them unraveled. Once everything is nice and secured, I'm gonna go ahead and use my accessories to accessorize it, and I am using this lovely beautiful silver hair accessories to accessorize my hair. So once I'm done, I'm gonna spray my hair with the olive hair spray just to give my hair that shine, because you know Eco Styler gel can be drying to the hair, so you want that shine. So in order to achieve that shine, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair down, and this is the result, and I am loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate if you've watched to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.